Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures class roster and permissions match. Once signed in, open Classroom and tap the class tile you'll use for the meeting. Make sure your microphone and camera are permitted and working. Test them in settings, because poor audio stops conversations before they start. If you're using Chrome or Edge, allow camera/mic prompts. Once done, move to the class stream or classwork, where you'll schedule or launch the meeting. Next, you create the meet link inside Classroom or via Google Calendar so everyone gets a consistent join point. If you use Classroom, click the Meet card or create one from class settings. Classroom auto-posts the link to the stream. If you prefer Calendar, create the event, add the meet link, set date and time, and invite students. Make sure to add co-teachers so they can admit participants. Once scheduled, verify the link appears in Stream and the calendar entry before the session. When it's time, launch the meeting by clicking the Classroom Meet link and join a few minutes early to admit students and resolve issues. You'll manage participants with host controls, mute all, pin speakers, present a window or your screen, and record if your policy permits, so the session runs smoothly. If students can't join, ask them to reload, try a different browser, or check camera/mic permissions. As a final tip, if audio fails, switch to phone dial-in or use the chat to continue until fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.